The spirit of jealousy is real. I came across a video of this beautiful, hardworking individual who participated in a video that went viral. Well, the spirit of jealousy saw it, and the vessel it used decided to up her rent to the point she couldn't afford it and became homeless again.
How much do you pay for rent in Chicago?
$1,750.
Can I have a tour of your apartment?
Absolutely, let's go. So this is our entryway. Gotta check yourself out in the mirror before you leave, make sure everything's on point. And then we have this long hallway. I'm all about women having positive energy, so I like seeing it every morning. This long hallway, I had to put something special here, so I decided to put Chicago. I was homeless for 8 years. I used to panhandle by this bridge, and I used to eat out of garbage cans over here. And now I'm no longer homeless, and I actually live in this community where I was homeless at. I used to sleep in my car. I was a Uber driver for 9.5 years with 40,000 trips. And this reminds me of the hustle and the bustle, the cars zooming down the street. And Chanel, I have a dog, and this is kind of her area where I love on her. We sit here, we play here. It's my sanctuary. It's my peace. This is my bedroom. This is a canopy bed. Thank God for the high ceilings because it stands tall. This is Queen Nefertiti. I got this from Andersonville at a local antique. This is my purse addiction. Don't judge me. I'm just a girl. This is kind of like my office space where I got some awards from being one of Uber's top driver. Now I have my own car service. If you ever need a ride to the airport, call your girl, Faith Jones. This is the kitchen. We have these high ceilings. We have this counter, a lot of recipes, stainless steel refrigerator. I've never had that before, so it's a luxury. And this is the living room. This is where I kind of like come and just relax and invite my friends over, and we kind of like sit down on the red couch. Everybody's like, oh my gosh, she has a red couch. This is a china cabinet that's been passed down. I've managed to keep it. Being homeless is hard to keep things, so in my homeless stage I managed to keep it. And this is another masterpiece. Gorgeous. It's an antique. We have a balcony. It's raining, I think, in Chicago right now. I love it. It's just a vibe in the summertime. She's ready to make her grand entrance, Dane. This is my Maltese, and her name is Chanel, and she is 6 years old. I call it the boudoir. It's a pretty large bathroom, I feel. It's motivated by my dog Chanel, so it has a lot of Chanel stuff. And this is our beautiful rooftop, Dane. Chicago, the Windy City. Chicago! My home.
Awesome.
For at least 24 hours. So right now, we got a dead body. We got ideal. 36-year-old Antoine Tony Hamilton had one child and was recently released from prison. All we know, we got a victim's laying on there. He's got a gunshot wound in the back. One. 2 hours in, the team has no leads. Go back to the office and try and track down the
What did I do? What did I do?
This is one of my biggest regrets. I hired two girls and you end up regretting even faster. And this is my final word with today's spot. They hand select topics for you. If you don't like the work, fiverr.com/diary.
Did you know there's an easier way to find a lawyer? Introducing Nolo.com.